Stop saying it's very windy. Speak like a native. A light, gentle wind is a breeze. A sudden, powerful blast is a gust. Stop saying you hear nature noises. Speak like a native. The sound of wind moving the leaves is rustling. The birds are chirping. Upgrade your English. Stop just saying walk. Speak like a native. A slow, relaxed walk is a stroll. Walking back and forth nervously is pacing. Upgrade your English.
Don't just say look. Native speakers are specific. A super quick look is a glance. Looking secretly at something is a peek. Start using these today.
Stop saying a photo looks fake. Tell your editor it looks over-edited or unnatural. Keep it realistic. Stop calling clothes cheap. It sounds negative. Upgrade your vocabulary and say affordable or budget-friendly instead. Stop telling your editor she doesn't look like the picture. Be specific. Tell them, please match her original facial structure. Keep your edits realistic.
Stop calling clothes old-fashioned. It sounds negative. Speak like a fashion expert. Call them vintage or classic.
Don't just say eat or drink. Native speakers use specific words. Taking a tiny bite is a nibble. Drinking super fast is a gulp. Stop saying it is raining. Speak like a native. Light rain is drizzling. Heavy rain is pouring. Stop saying an outfit is very stylish. It's a bit basic. Upgrade your English. Tell them it looks chic or trendy instead.
These sound identical but mean different things. Break with EA means to shatter. Break with AKE stops your car. Don't mix them up, save this video. Stop writing happy birthday, have a good day. It's boring. For someone special, keep it sweet and simple. Wishing you a day as beautiful as you are.
Don't say we fix dents and paint cars. Be technical and sharp. Say we specialize in automotive bodywork and aesthetic restoration.
Under. Stop saying the forest has lots of plants. Speak like a native. A thick tropical environment is a rainforest. Under. Stop saying the forest has lots of plants. Speak like a native. A thick tropical environment is a rainforest.
Stop saying you are walking in the mountains. Speak like a native. A challenging walk in nature is trekking.
Stop saying the weather is very hot. Speak like a native. A dry, burning heat is scorching.
Stop saying a picture looks too proper. Speak like a native. An image that captures true, natural details perfect. Stop saying the forest is very green. Speak like a native. A forest packed with thick, healthy plants is lush. If the trees have no leaves, stop saying the sun is very bright. Speak like a native. A warm, beautiful light is radiant. If it hurts your eyes,
stop saying the hill is very high. Speak like a native. A sharp, difficult climb is steep. Stop saying the flower is dying. Speak like a native. When a flower opens beautifully, it's blooming. When it starts to fade and
stop saying you have no money for a business. Sound like an entrepreneur. Say you are starting with zero investment or bootstrapping your brand. Speak like a boss. Stop saying the car looks bad. Speak like a pro. If the body is damaged, say it needs denting work.
Stop just saying happy birthday. Make it sweet and simple. Tell her, happy birthday to the girl who makes every day better. Upgrade your romance.
Stop saying I have no budget. Say I am bootstrapping my fashion startup. Speak like a boss.